Dale más fuerte.
Ya casi está, un poco más.
Aprieta los clips ahora.
Is that straight? Hold it right there, it looks good. Pouring the mix now.
Pre-planting verification is crucial. The meter confirms an optimal pH of 6.8, ideal for young plum trees.
We have a clear signal here at 8 meters. This looks promising for the deep aquifer target. Okay, that's the spot right there.
Red flag is centered.
All clear, engage the hydraulics. Bring it up, slow. Watch the alignment on the far side. We're clear up here. Look at the return flow, it's surging. Woo! Confirmed depth is 8 meters, water quality looks good. Whoa! Look at the pressure usher on that. We found the reservoir.
Apply steady pressure, monitor the flow rate.
It's coming down now, stabilizing.
Flanges are secured, boss.
We need the casing perfectly aligned now, team.
Check the pressure gauge on the sample port, it's fluctuating.
All right, secure that locking cap before we pack up.
Clear the platform. We are lifting the mast now. Ensure the outriggers are secure. Hold it right there. Lower slowly on the east side. Okay, easy now. Check the level. We're good here. Secure the anchors.
We are set for the drop coming down now.
Roger that. Easy pressure.
And engaged.
Keep it steady on the left. Okay, easy now. Watch the wheel. Alignment looks good here. Keep coming.
The precise alignment of the T-fittings ensures even distribution across the plum rows, a critical step in the installation process.
A little to the left.
Okay, hold it there. Looks good. Set it down.
Align it with the rail.
The gap looks consistent.
Moving to the next connector now.
Sector 4 reports consistent flow and zero runoff.
Moisture levels are optimal down to 30 centimeters. These Gulf Ruby look excellent. The caliper is right at 12 millimeters, and the root structure is very promising for the desert climate.
The steady rhythm of the emitter ensures consistent delivery. Watch closely as the wetting front advances through.
Check the pressure reading at the main valve.
Holding steady at 40 psi. Infiltration looks good here.
These Gulf Ruby roots are strong. We need to ensure the caliper is exactly 12 millimeters for the desert climate. We still have about 25 seconds on the clock. Ensure the immersion is complete.
The gel coverage looks perfect on these roots.
Okay, the crown looks level with the soil surface now. Hold it steady while I backfill.
Got it. Making sure the roots are spread naturally. The 5mm aperture netting is unrolled over the support structures. We use sandbags to temporarily weight. This upward view highlights the developing open center architecture. Note the new shoots extending rapidly, increasing the canopy density.
To accommodate the taller plum trees, the shade nets are adjusted. The height is increased from 2.5
Start tightening the guy wire slowly.
It's moving up to the required tension now.
Looks good, holding strong.
No signs of chlorosis or necrotic spotting. Stomatal density and turgor pressure appear well within the normal range.
As the drone orbits the mature orchard, the scale of this agricultural achievement becomes clear.
This extreme macro shot captures the subtle color transition. The anthocyanin starts at the shoulder.
As you can see, the leaf temperature reached 42 degrees Celsius. But with the misting system,
Here we see the selective picking process. By removing these stressed fruits, we ensure the overall quality of the harvest grade percentage.
Move the ladder up, careful with the branches.
Okay, I'm coming down now.
Utilizing a gentle 15 Hz vibrator shaker selectively detaches the ripe plums.